Hey everyone, how you doing? My name is Crystal Miller. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you're going to learn tips and tricks to grow your online business. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so you'll get alerts when I upload new content for you all, and smash that like button. In today's video, I'm going to talk about me doing a 30-day business hustle with zero money. So there are no excuses for me or you to start making money online. I'm not seeing this anywhere on YouTube. I'm pulling back the curtains of what it really takes to be online. And if I can do it, so can you. So now that I put it out there, I have to be accountable. So every Friday, I will let you know my results. Remember, you have to stay committed no matter what. All in with your mind, body, and soul. I showed you in my third video, ClickBank for Beginners, how to find your niche, then Gravity, and then your product to get your hop link. You can use your hop link, but I would recommend getting a lead capture page because everybody's using that capture page. You want to be unique and different. So you want to attach your hop link to your lead page, and I set that up all tonight to get it out there. Now there is free traffic like Facebook, but for Facebook, you want to open a new Facebook profile for your business. You want to keep your personal Facebook separate from your business. I'm working towards a new computer just for that. There is Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, and all the social media platforms, but you want to concentrate on one social media platform. Once you have your platform, learn how to work it and implement it every day. How bad do you want it? You want it, you have to go get it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And you can find the link down below that has a 7-day free trial that you get started now, and there's training to get you started in the right direction. Click on the first link down below to get started. Also remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on my daily content. Bye for now.